This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys. So a very warm welcome to this SCCM System Center Configuration Manager online training session. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kashif. I am from India. I have more than 13 years of practical IT experience. Um, I am a BSc IT graduate from Mumbai University. I have expertise on SCCM, Intune, Active Directory, application packaging, Azure, PowerShell. I started my career as a help desk engineer, like Lydia, a help desk support engineer, and then I was moved into SCCM level 1, level 2, level 3 team, and now I'm working as SCCM architect, wherein my primary roles and responsibility is to implement SCCM in companies. Um, Apart from this implementation and project task, I'm involved in the training, wherein I have trained more than 13,000 students globally. uh, these are my website and blog address and email address, guys. So that is about me. Let me take you to the next slide, which talks about the duration of this training. So this is the duration. Every day we will do 1 hour session, or someday we might go up to 1.5 hour session. So it is going to take 4 weeks to finish all the topics. Okay, 1 month. So total 1 month it is going to take to finish all the topics. Monday to Friday we will do, and the timing will be 7:30 a.m. IST. That is 10 p.m. EST, Eastern Standard Time. This is US time. So this one is US time and this one is India time. So 7:30 India time, which is equal to 10 p.m. EST, Eastern time. So 1 month it's going to take to finish all the topics. Daily 1 hour or 1.5 hours. Someday we might go. Now, so I'll give you just little background of SCCM. What is when this SCCM started? So this was started by Microsoft. The manufacturer of this product is Microsoft, and they had started this. They launched this product in the year 1994 as SMS 1.0. SMS was the old name of SCCM, System Management Server. Then in the year 1999, they released SMS 2.0. Then in the year 2003, they released SMS 2003. Then they changed the name to SCCM, System Center Configuration Manager, in the year 2007. So in the year 2007, they released SCCM 2007, then 2012, then 1511. Then these are three versions released in the year 2016. These three versions released in the year 2017. These three versions released in the year 2018. These three versions released in the year 2019. So from 1910 onwards, they changed the name again. Previously, it was SCCM. Now we call it as MECM. MECM is what? Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. Okay, that's the name of this product now. Previously, we used to call it as SCCM. Okay, but no more SCCM. It is MECM, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. So last year, they have released three versions: 2002, 2006, and MECM 2010. Last year they released three versions in October. This was released in October 2020. Now this year, 2 months back, in the month of March, they released MECM 2103. This is the latest and greatest version of SCCM, 2103. So 2021 is 21 and 03 is March. So March 21, this 2 months back. Now we are, it's May month, right? So last 2 months, 2 months ago, they released this one, 2103. So that's the latest version of SCCM. So if you see from 1994, right, and 2103, more than 25 years, this product is there in the market. So 25 years, you see, this is an achievement. This product is there for the past 25 years in the market. Other there are very few product which has gone so to this 25 years, so that's an achievement from this product. Now we'll talk about the opportunities in SCCM, because you guys are going to learn this technology. So you have to first understand the current market value of this product. So this product is there for the past 25 years plus. This product, wherever you go, you will find this product in all big size and medium size companies. Okay, because it has a huge deployment all over the globe. So it is hugely deployed all over the globe, wherever you go. Whether you go to big size company, medium size company, you will find this product. So if the deployment is huge, then they will also need SCCM administrator. So the requirement is very you will find requirement for SCCM administrator all over the places. So people who are in US or Canada, they are getting average salary $45 per hour. Okay, those who are in US, Canada, European countries, or Australia, those who are in India, they can expect a salary of 800,000 Indian rupees. This is Indian rupees per year. This is an annual salary, average salary. Okay, this is the average salary for Indian administrator, those who are working on SCCM profile. Now, so you have 25 years of history of this SCCM. Almost all big size companies and medium size companies have this, usually deployed all over the globe, and you get a lot of opportunities, right? Plus uh, this is the third largest selling product of Microsoft. Microsoft is selling this product on um, very frequent basis. So first, Microsoft is selling operating system. That's the first one. The second one is Microsoft is selling Office, and the third one is SCCM. So this is the third largest selling product of Microsoft. Okay, and that's the reason we have uh, n number of opportunities. Okay, all over the places you will find opportunities. You now, where will you get opportunities? You will have to upload your resume on your uh, local job portals like Indeed or Dice or Naukri or Monster, wherever whichever the best one, you have to upload your resume there for SCCM related opportunities. So that's uh, the benefit of this product. If you learn this one, you will have a number of opportunities, and you will be able to crack interviews if you learn these technologies properly. Now we have 3 sites in SCCM which we will discuss tomorrow. What are these sites in details? We will start. Today is just a demo session, so I'm not going into details, guys. So central, primary, and secondary, we'll discuss what are these sites. So one thing I would like to show you this architectural diagram. There are 3 types of architecture we design for SCCM deployment in companies. If the company is a small size company, only one location, then we install only one primary site. If the company is medium size company, okay, mostly 99% of time you will get this kind of deployment. So we will install primary site and secondary site in branch office. So in headquarter we will install primary site, and in branch office we will install secondary site, and secondary will report to primary like this. This is medium size organization deployment. And this one, the third one, is for big size organization. Very rare deployment, but you will find in big size organization like Accenture, Deloitte, IBM, HCL, TCS, big organization. So you will have more than one primary site. So primary 1 in Americas region, primary 2 in Europe region, and primary 3 in Asia Pacific region, and all of them will report to a CAS on the top. So they will report to CAS server. Okay, central administration side. I will discuss tomorrow how the reporting happens and all. So this is how the secondary will report to primary. This is very rare deployment, but you might get this kind of deployment too in big size organization. This one is medium size organization deployment, which you will find in 99% of organization. Now every site has a database. Secondary has a database which whatever the data it stores, it will pass on to primary. Whatever the data it stores, primary will pass on to central like this. So it has the data replication like this, from downward to upward. The data replication happens from downward to upward. Okay, we will see this later on. Now, how this SCCM, suppose you have deployed SCCM in company, right? What all things you can expect from this? This tool has many features. These are some of the basic features of SCCM. Like, suppose if you have SCCM in company, then it will do hardware and software inventory, it will do asset intelligence, it will do software metering. We will do all these practical, we will install SCCM, and then practically we will do hardware inventory, software inventory of the devices and these things. We'll deploy application. You can deploy application to thousands and thousands of systems in one go. Okay, because you will have complete control on the devices. SCCM will have complete control on all the 10,000 or 20 or 50,000 machines you have. You can restart those machines, you can push patches, you can deploy application, you can deploy operating system. It will be like you have complete control through SCCM on all the computers. You can deploy updates, you can deploy operating system, you can manage contents, you can find out how many systems are compliant and non-compliant. You can deploy power policy. Let's say I would like to turn off all the monitors after people leave people leave office. Let's say 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. people are not there, and there are like 2,000 machines. I can turn off their computers through SCCM. I can restart those machines. I can power off or sleep mode, hibernate mode. We can find out the health of the client, whether the clients are healthy or unhealthy. Endpoint protection, we can manage antivirus. Mobile device management, we can manage mobile devices like Android, iPhone, iOS devices through SCCM. Role-based administration, so this is for SCCM administrators. So if somebody, let's say Lydia is good with application deployment in SCCM, so I'll give application deployment role. If Rajesh is good with um, software update deployment, I'll give software update deployment role. Based on the expertise of the administrator, we have multiple roles here. Remote management, we can remote in to user system through SCCM. Reporting, we have few reports I mean, we have some formats: Excel, CSV, PDF, Word. There are many formats available which you can use to fetch reports. Monitoring, you can monitor. This is the inbuilt feature of SCCM. You don't have to uh, install any third-party monitoring tool. So you can monitor SCCM site and site server through SCCM server itself. These are some of the basic functionalities of SCCM. There are many more which I have not included in this slide. So we will discuss those things as well when we go in the training. Now we will do the practical training. So every day we will do theory plus practical. So I'll explain few things and then we will do practical of that one. How can we do it practically? So for that we need practical lab for each one of you. So each one of you will have to set up your lab, SCCM lab. Either you do it on local laptop or you can do it on Azure Cloud Data Center. For local laptop, you need to have minimum this configuration, minimum. Okay, if you have this configuration on your laptop, then we can set it up on the laptop, or otherwise we can go on Azure Cloud Data Center and create virtual machines in the cloud. And from our local laptop, we can remotely connect to these machines. Okay, that is the lab. So each one of you will have to set up your lab. I'll guide you step by step how to go about it. Lab architecture will be like this one. We will have 4 machines. In fact, we will have 5 different machines. Okay, this one will be your secondary side. So one will be your domain controller, second will be your primary side, third will be your database server, fourth will be your client machine, and this one will be your secondary side server. As I mentioned, 99% of organization have this kind of architecture, primary plus secondary. So we will do this kind of practical lab. Okay. Any question from anyone? Okay, one question is coming from Rajesh. Will Mac machine is good enough? Okay, Mac machine, if what is the processor and RAM in Mac
Yeah,
machine?
it has i7 and 16
Hmm.
GB.
Yes, I think you will be able to do it, but you will have to install VMware on that machine. Okay.
Okay.
So first of all, you have to download VMware uh,
Mhm.
from VMware website, which is supported on Mac operating system, and then you create virtual machines in that one. Okay,
Okay,
I'll
I'll
guide
try.
you.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
I'll guide you. So that is supported. As you said, you will have SSD RAM there or normal spinning disk.
No, it's SSD.
SSD. Good.
What
That will be
I
supported.
have 8 GB RAM,
8
but
GB RAM.
i7, yeah, but i7 PC.
Oh, you said 16 GB, I think.
No, it's 8
Okay,
GB.
8 GB will be difficult then because we have to create 4 machines, right?
Mhm.
So we need RAM for each machine. That will be difficult. Okay, so better to go on Azure then.
Okay. And Azure is free or I need to buy
Uh,
subscription?
you have to create subscription for 30 days. Okay,
Okay.
free trial, 30 days free. Okay, after 30 days, either you create another account, another free account, or you need to pay to Microsoft. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
first 30 days is free. Okay.
Okay, that's better.
Now, Baji and Lydia, do you have any question?
Okay, my question is obviously my laptop cannot do it because what I'm using right now is a Chromebook. So
Chromebook. Okay.
yes,
Hmm.
so
No, you can't do it. You can't do it on Chromebook. You will have to go on Azure. So I'll guide you step by step how to create your Azure subscription, and that is
okay,
free for 30 days. Okay.
okay,
So
okay,
30 days you can create your Azure subscription and
okay,
free trial, and you can create all your lab machines there.
okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank you.
And through this
I have
Chromebook, you can remotely
the
connect to those machines.
Okay.
Yes, Baji, what is your question?
I have 12 GB RAM laptop and
Mm.
hard drive is 1 TB. So will it
SSD?
sufficient? No, it's a SATA only, not SSD.
SATA. Okay, and what is the processor?
i3 8th gen.
8th generation. Okay, I think that is supported. 12 GB RAM you have, right? So that will work.
Yeah.
We will do the installation on your laptop. In case if we face slowness, then we will go on cloud. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys. So these are the things, and also I have sent the course content. If you have not received the course content, I will send that to you on WhatsApp, wherein there are 16 modules. Step by step, we will learn. So first of all, we will see this one. The in the information about central, primary, secondary, and the replication and site roles and all. We will discuss those things, and then we'll from module 2 we'll start practical. So we'll do all the prerequisite installation, and then we will have our primary site ready. We will do discovery of resources, then client management, hardware and software inventory, reporting, and then software deployment, then updates deployment, operating system deployment, endpoint protection, then compliance setting, mobile device management through Intune. Okay, then power management, then we'll do disaster and recovery. We'll add a new secondary site, and these are miscellaneous tasks like we'll uh, the Windows 10 servicing, Office 365, upgrade SCCM from old version to the new version. So all those things we'll discuss. Okay, I'll send
Yes.
this course content to everyone on the WhatsApp later on. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. Those who are interested to continue from tomorrow, they will need to enroll to this course, and from tomorrow onwards, I'll take you in the training, guys. Any question before we wrap it up?
So what is the process of enrollment?
You send me on WhatsApp. I will reply the link, the payment link and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Ashif, is there
Yes.
any thank you very much for this opportunity. I must say that I'm very, very elated to be part of this, and perhaps the inquiry came at the right time, and the fact that it was just going to start, and I'm happy that I'm part of it. So I would like to confirm: is there any certification that goes with this training? Is there maybe completion of this course? Is there anything that
Course
anything
completion certificate I will give you. Okay, I'll give you course completion certificate.
okay,
Understood.
okay,
Microsoft used to give this certificate before.
okay,
But Microsoft, they have stopped. The certificate is expired from Microsoft. Now the course completion certificate I can give you like this. Okay.
okay. Okay, Microsoft doesn't issue this anymore.
No, Microsoft used to do it, but they have stopped in 2019. Okay.
Oh,
Previously, we used to take this certification, which I have not discussed. Let's this one 70-703. You see, this was the exam code before, but they have expired it. Okay.
okay. So the certification you issue, right now, is it enough for one to use for a job? How for people that you have had?
Certification is not for job. A certification is not needed. For job,
Okay,
you have to first, in the during the interview, you will have to, present yourself that you have worked on SCCM and you have good exposure on SCCM, good experience. Then they will
okay,
take you, and then that's it. And in job, day-to-day job profile, you have to, make sure you complete all the tasks, whatever the task is given. Nobody will ask you for the certificate.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
So we'll meet tomorrow, same time, guys. 10 o'clock EST, 10 p.m. and 7:30 India time.
okay,
Okay, guys. Thank you everyone for joining the session. And
Thank
each
you.
session will get recorded. Like this one is getting recorded, and now I will, after the session, I will share the recorded videos with you guys. Okay.
okay.
Thank you everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.